good. How are you?
I am well.
Good. We just had some breakfast.
Yes.
And now we're going to go play.
We are on the Discovery Princess. Day one at sea on our way to Cabo San Lucas.
Cabo San Lucas. And it's the newest ship in the fleet. It was launched March 2022.
So 11 months in.
Yep. And they have one of the very first dedicated pickleball courts on the ship.
So we're excited to check this out. We haven't tried this before. It's quite breezy up here. It's not terribly sunny. There's supposed to be open play at 10 o'clock, 10 till 12. So let's go and see what they've got.
Okay, let's go in.
Oh, so what have we got here?
So here we got 2 pickleball courts. Lines.
Yes, two lots of lines, and it looks like there's only 2 nets actually. One of them's broken.
One of them's broken, yeah.
So I think we need to get something set up so we can get going.
And we've got some pickleball paddles over there if you care not to bring your own.
We brought our own, so we're good.
All right,
let's get in.
First time pickleball on the cruise.
It was interesting. It started off with a bit of rain.
It did.
Rain.
Which makes the course very slippery.
Drizzle, but yes, that makes it dangerous. But actually, it dried out pretty quickly. There's a lot of people out here. Actually, there's about a dozen, maybe 15 people who are having to share. The equipment they provide is not super smashing great.
Bring your own.
I brought our own pickleballs and our own paddles, so that's a help. But it's fun. It's all about the fun, and we're having fun.
A little bit of wind and a little bit of the sway of the boat.
It is a bit breezy because we're up on the very top deck.
Yeah, it's a basketball court. So it's the court center, I think they call it, or sports center.
Yeah, center court, whatever they call it. But yeah, it's good.
It's good fun.
I have a feeling even in port, it's going to be breezy up here. But we'll see because we plan to be up here again. That's just.